Friend, today video session we will discuss about a SQL. What is SQL? It is a standard language for accessing and manipulating database. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL is a database computer language designed for the retrieval and management of a data in a relational database. What is RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. A relational database management system is a database management system that is based on the relational model as introduced by EF Code. All the RDBMS like MySQL, MyAccess, Oracle, Postgres and SQL Server. SQL is a standard database language to access data from all these RDBMS. What we can do by using SQL. Execute query against a database. It means that we can execute query to the database by using a SQL command. Insert record in database. We can insert the record in a database. Delete record. If we want to delete a record to the database, then we can use that by using the SQL command. Creating a new database. Create new table in database. Set permission on table and procedure. By using SQL command, we can set the permission on table and procedure and deleting the record to the database. We can perform all these tasks on database by using SQL command. SQL command. The standard SQL command which interact with relational database are create, select, insert, update, delete, alter, truncate, and drop. These commands can be classified into groups based on their nature. 4 types of command. DDL command. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. DDL command is create, alter, drop, truncate. DDL command basically used to create a object in a database. Alter command is used to modify the structure of a object. Drop command is used to drop the object to the database. DML command. DML command stands for a data manipulation language. In DML command, that is insert, update, delete. Insert command is used to create a new record in a database. Update command is used to update a record or to modify the record in a database. Delete command is used to delete a record from the database. TCL. TCL stands for a transaction control language, that is commit rollback. Commit command is used to save the changes in the database permanently. Rollback command is used to roll back the data, but we cannot roll back the data after commit. DCL. DCL command stands for data control language. Grant. Grant command is used to give the permission. Revoke command is used to taking back the permission to the user. Select command. Select command is used to retrieve the data from the database. Next one is database objects. A database object is any defined object in a database that is used to store or reference data. Some example of database object includes table, view, sequence, and synonym. Object. Table. Table is a object in my database. What is table? Table is a area of storage. Table is a combination of row and column. View. View is a logical representation of data which may be one or more table. Sequence. Sequence is used to generate a numeric value. Index. Index is used to improve the performance of query. Synonym. Synonym is used to give alternate name to the object. Data types. This is a data types in SQL, that is varchar2, char, number, date, long, and clock. Next one is a creating table. Creating table. Create command. Create command is used to creating a object in a database. By using create command, we can create table, function, procedure, and view. Syntax. Create table, table name, column name 1, data type 1, after that comma, after that column name 2, data type 2, and so on. You can create number of column in a table, and after that close the bracket and semicolon. This is a syntax of a create command. Create command example. Table name is employee. Suppose this is a table which I want to create in SQL. So this is a table, that is employee. Here I am using a create table, table name employee, emp code. Emp code is a column name, and varchar 220 is a data type. Emp name is a employee name, and varchar 250 is a data type, and 50 is a limit of size. Salary is a column name, and number is a data type. Address is a column name, and varchar 220 is a data type, and the limit of its size is 20. And same as city is a column name, and varchar 220 is a data type. Manipulating data by using SQL. We have created a table in a database. After creating table, how we can manipulate data by using SQL? So once you create table, you can insert data, update data in table, and delete data from a table. After creating table, we can perform 3 operations, that is insert, update, delete. Oracle provides us 3 commands, that is insert, update, delete. Insert command. It is used to insert a record in a database. Syntax: insert into table name, after that column name 1, open bracket, column name 1, column name 2, and so on, number of column, value 1, value 2, and so on, value n times. Example: employee. I want to insert this data into database by using a insert command. So I will explain you it by practically, that is here. This is a my table employee. This is column name, emp code, emp name, salary, address, and city. Create. Here I have used a create command. Table, after that table name, open bracket, emp code, column name, and data type. Same emp name, data type, salary, data type, and address, data type, that is varchar 220, and city varchar 220. After that I am closing the open bracket and using a semicolon. Now I am running this command. Okay. Now table is created. So I am using a select command, select star from employee, to check that is table is created or not. So this is my table which is created, that is employee code, EMP name, salary, address and city. Now I want to insert a record into table by using a insert command. So let's see. This is a insert command which is used to insert a record into database. Insert into, after that table name, that is employee, and after that open bracket and column name 1, that is EMP code, and comma column name 2, comma column name 3, that is salary, and comma column name 4, that is address, and column 5, that is city. And values I will putting a 101 against EMP code, and employee name is Ravi Kumar, and salary is 20,000, and address is Delhi, and city is Lakshmi Nagar. Now I will run this command. This record is inserted into table. I want to check that, so I will run again this command, select star from employee. When I will run, it will give me this output. This is a record which I have inserted by using the insert command, that is employee code 101, employee name Ravi Kumar, salary 20,000, address Delhi, and city is Lakshmi Nagar. Okay, so next one, update command. Update command, it is used to modify a record in a database. Syntax: update, table name, set. Set is a operator which is used with the update command. After that, column name 1 equal value 1, comma column 2 equal value 2, and times where condition. Suppose we want to modify the city of employee, that is Lakshmi Nagar, to Chandigarh. So how could we do that? We can do that by using the update command. So let's see. I will show you by practically. This is a update command, and this is a table name, that is employee set. Set is a operator which is used with a update command. Set city, this is a column name, equal to Chandigarh. Okay, where EMP code equal to 101. Suppose that employee table exists 100 records, and I want to update a particular single employee name, city. So I have used here condition. Now I will run it. Record is updated. To check that is my record is updated or not, I will run this command. Yeah, this is updated. Now city is Chandigarh. Next, is a delete command. Delete command, it is used to delete a record in a database. Delete from table name where condition. Syntax: delete from table name where condition. Suppose we want to delete a record of 101 employee code ID. Now I want to delete this employee record from my database. And next one is retrieving data by using SQL. Select command. Select command is used to retrieve the data from a database. Syntax: select star from table name, or select column 1, column 2 from table name. Select. Select identify the column to be displayed. Select identify that which column to be displayed. And from identify the table name which containing the column name. And star. This star means to select all the record from the database. If I will use select star from employee, it means that it will retrieve all the data from the employee table. Suppose we want to view employee table data, then we can use select star from table name. I will show the practical of this. First, select star from employee. It will show all the records of the employee table. Now I want to see employee code and employee name column data. Sorry, this is a wrong column name. EMP code. Yeah, now it will show me employee code and employee name data. Last one is delete record. Delete command is used to delete a record from a database. Delete from table name, that is employee, and I will run this command. It will delete the record from the database. Now I will check it by using the select star from employee. Now data is deleted from a database. Next one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Friend, today video session we will discuss about